Hello, everyone. We're going to do a short lesson today and we're going to look at how to use used to as a phrase. It's a really common phrase and it refers to things that we did regularly in the past, but we now no longer do. They don't happen anymore. So, for example, I used to play tennis every weekend. She used to live in Paris. So, it's describing how life was different before. When it comes to the pronunciation of used to, it sounds a bit more like used to. For example, I used to play tennis every weekend. She used to live in Paris. Can you hear the difference? We don't say to, used to, we say used to. It's shortened. This sounds more natural in conversation. When we're looking at negatives and questions, we say didn't used to and did you used to? So, for example, I didn't used to like coffee, but now I love it. And did you used to live in Paris? So now you know how to use used to sound more natural and fluent in English. So practice it in your next conversation and try making your own examples in the comments below and I'll check them for you. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more short English lessons. There's a link to our free English conversation membership in the bio.